Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a budget with me. We are budgeting the second week of June. And if you saw my last video on Saturday, I believe, it's when I was telling you about my budget review, and I basically told you that we got a flat tire on last Wednesday, and that caused the entire budget to be kind of thrown off because I did have to pay for that, and I did end up doing an additional contribution in my church, and that kind of threw off the numbers as well. So with that being said, I am going to be setting up this week, making sure that I keep track of the things that I did not take care of last week, and also kind of making a few adjustments as we go along. This week's kit is going to be this one. I know it is super different from the last kit. It's my mosaic budget themed kit, and I really love this one. I think the colors are so vibrant and so pretty. I cannot wait to put them down and see how everything comes out. So I have some full boxes here, and then I also have some headers here and some washi tape. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the half sheet. I was really struggling with that one because I am trying to just base my income off of one income and not both or all of our income. So it makes it very difficult to do our budget sometimes because I am trying to adjust these numbers based on just this particular income, and I want to get to the place where I am saving and tithing no matter what. And tithe, I'm really good at doing that. I will do that no matter what. It's always 10%, but my savings isn't always 10%, and I'm really trying to get it to be always 10%. So I've adjusted my numbers. As you know, I pay our mortgage in parts, so that's why it's only $200 there. My car insurance, which did not get paid last week, it will get paid this week. I have a tire repair that we have to do. $50 for gas, $100 for food because we have a lot of food left over, so I don't believe we will need to purchase that much. $60 in cash, that would be $30 for my husband and $30 for me. Our taxes, this is what's killing me this week because it is $615 that is coming out for taxes, and then my student loan payment of $155. So that gives me a total expense of $2,199.14, and the balance in the checking account in that particular account will be $50.86. That's just, you know, going toward the money that is sitting in that account, because we like to have a certain balance in that account, at least $1,000, just in case something happens and something comes out of there. So this will just go toward that. So on the next sheet, I'm just going to put another sticker in order to track my cash. These are the cash tracking envelope stickers that I put usually on the back of an envelope, but I've been using them in my planner and it has been working really well for me, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so now those two sheets are done, and the next thing that I'm going to do is actually decorate my weekly spread. Okay, here is the final spread, and I cannot lie, I am loving this spread. If y'all are interested in this kit, make sure that you check the description box. I will have a link to it there. It is from my Etsy shop, and I have this many stickers left over, which is pretty good, and I used all of my full boxes. So this is how the spread will look for this upcoming week. I have all of my bills here, and since I am using this sheet in order to keep track of my cash spending, and so I will keep track of like cash and debit card, random expenses on this sheet, and then I will use these areas, these expense areas, in order to keep track of the bills that I pay. I'll have an area for savings tracking, and then my income, and then my summary up here, and my upcoming here. So that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this budget with me. I absolutely love this spread, and I cannot wait until the week comes and I can fill it all in. So guys, that's it for this budget with me. As you can see, I already have my full budget here. I'm going to add in everything as it comes up, and this is super pretty. I'm loving these colors. So until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.